How to fix graphics card not detected for Windows 11 down to Windows 7. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you or provide you basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix or to bypass this kind of issue. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to do is go into your Windows search and type in system config and click on system configuration. You will have this small window or box right here. All I have to do here from startup selection is switch it into normal startup and then hit on OK. Once you hit on OK, your PC will suggest you to restart your PC and just simply rerun it, restart your PC, and once it is fully backed up, go back into the Windows search and type in device manager like so. And then from here, click on your current desktop name, go into action, and then choose on scan for hardware changes. Now, once this is fully scanned, you can go back into your display adapters, see if your graphic card is already showing. If it does, right click on it, and then choose on update driver. And that's it. That's how you fix graphics card not detected for Windows 11 down to Windows 7.